Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I want to do show you a quick analysis application of some of my strategies to analyze chart for you. Unfortunately yesterday the free training wasn't that smooth as I expected due to network issues. Here in our country we are having some network issues. Our internet service can just get disrupted at any time, and I apologize for that. So the training shall be rescheduled, but the date is not yet fixed. So once I'm able to come up with a good date, I'll shall inform in the Telegram group. So there's a link in the description of this video. If you're not yet in the Telegram group, just go to the description of this video, see a link, you click on that link and join the Telegram group from there, or the Telegram channel. Then you'll get any information that I'll be passing, because I'll be dropping them there. All right. And also, if you are interested in a one-on-one training or mentorship with me, that is the best thing to do, is just to click on that same Telegram channel, a link, get to the channel, then you find my direct contact where you can chat me directly. All right. Then also, please don't always forget to like this video. You can just start liking the video now so you won't forget. All right. So I know many of you don't watch these videos to the end, guys. All right. Please appreciate me, and also subscribe to this channel if you've not done that yet. Meanwhile, the if you have to look at this, if you were in the session yesterday, remember when I placed a horizontal line here, marking it as a strong support level. I marked this as a strong support level, and I don't want to do a full analysis. I just want to go to the 4 hourly time frame. I want to show you something in the market. All right, so on the 4 hourly time frame, if you remember my strategy, I used to tell you what we look out for in the market is this kind of movements. The market has to give us some higher highs, some highs and lows, like lower high, lower low, like this. So once we see this kind of movement, we know that the market is about to change direction. We expect the market to change direction on giving us this kind of movement here, and we are seeing this movement here on the 4 hourly time frame, meaning that, and you can see the last candlestick, the last 4 hourly candlestick that formed had to hit this particular strong support level and reversed. Then also, if we go to the daily time frame, let me show you something. The daily time frame, the last strategy I posted, I shared with you guys, where we talked about this the small body of a candlestick after a big bodied candlestick. Like, then we said if the market can close below or above, where we have the small can close, like after on the close of the small bodied candlestick, if the market can close below it, it can go below it, then retest properly, we are expecting some sales. Then if the market can go above it and close, and come back to retest properly, we are expecting some buys. Now, mind you, the direction of the market also matters. You should take note of that. The direction of the market also matters. But now that the market has gotten to a strong support zone and is trying to reverse, I expect, and the market had already sold, I expect the market can now come above this, the opening of that day's candle, that previous day's candlestick. It can go above there and retest properly. Although it made a little move, then it gave us this week that we can see here. But if we can go back and do a proper retest, we're expecting the market to buy. We're expecting the market to buy. All right, so let's go to the 4 hourly time frame. And on the 4 hourly time frame, you can see what is happening. The market is giving us this kind of structure right here. This structure we are seeing signifies or signals the possibility the market is going to change direction, to the upside. So we have two confluences there. First is that the market has gotten to a strong support level. The second is this structure we are seeing here. This is a corrective impulse or impulsive correction. That is it. Then the market, we are expecting a kind of a breakout from this particular channel that the market has formed. We want to see the market break out of it, then coming back to retest and buy nicely to the upside. All right, so that's what we expect. So on the 1 hourly time frame, let's go to the 1 hourly time frame. You can see the structure, how clear it is right here on the 1 hourly time frame. Maybe I need to adjust this line, something like this. Okay, you can see the line, the structure looks a bit better now, and very visible. So, and that yesterday while we were having a class, I actually drew this. I saw this setup, and I don't know if anybody was able to hear me, because It was after I was trying to analyze this particular structure here that I noticed people were not hearing me again. Network actually interrupted, so I stopped somewhere around here, and you see the market sold massively to the downside, guys. All right, so on if the market can continue on the 1 hourly time frame, we already have a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here, and you see the market is buying. So I expect the market to buy, and mind you, this is the opening of the previous day's candlestick, daily candlestick. So if the market can go above here and retest properly, we expect the market to buy. But if you are on the chart to see when this happens, when you want to buy, also take note that there is a resistance zone here. This a resistive trend line here is on the 4 hourly time frame and is a strong one, so you should be careful because anything can happen in the market. The market can decide to reverse at that point and still sell down, so you lose. So if you want to enter a trade, just be watching your trade because of this trend line, which is very close. All right, so let's go to the 15 minutes time frame to see what we get right there, see what we can get from there. All right, so on the 15 minutes time frame, what do we have? You can see it here, right? Look at what we have here. The market is buying. You can see it's buying nicely to the upside from here after it hit that strong resistance and support. After it hit the strong support, there's a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here. See the market buying. It's buying to the upside. So we expect the market to buy. If it can break above here and retest properly, you can see market has been buying around this point, so it can buy. Then we'll have to be careful when the market gets to this point, to this trend line, because there's a very high chance it can also reverse and come back before then buying above. So but my target is not really where we have this point. I want the market to either break above this trend line or go up or reverse. If the market can give me a good breakout and proper retest, then I would want to go into buy massively. I'll buy and make some good cash. Let me show you where I expect these things to happen. Um, Chart looks small. I'm trying to see if I can grab. Okay, if the market can break out from this point, this is the most recent swing high, which I'll mark. That's the highest point the market got to before. The highest point the market got to before creating this lower low. So I will mark this point. If the market can go above this point, then comes back to retest, I would buy massively. I will buy. There is an opportunity to buy at this point. Let me draw this. The market can buy around this point. The market can buy, come back and buy nicely around this point. Let me change this to a rectangle. Yes, this point, the market can come back and buy around this point nicely. That looks like a key level because market has bought and sold around it. You can see market has bought and sold around this level. So the market can, if the market can break above, I expect the market to come back to that place and then buy nicely to the upside. We'll see some sweet buys, and if you can start buying, guys, there's so much money to be made in this. There's so much money, because I think the market would want to target the daily time frame. Is it daily time frame resistance zone, trend line above it, which is far from here. So first of all, we will say that if you can enter the market at this, let's say you are entering the market at this point, your first target should just target this point first. Target this particular high here, and you make some cool cash. Then your next target can be this particular high. But if the market can go above this high here, guys, the next target should be here. The market will buy massively to this point. So if you can just monitor the chart and see these things happening, if you can monitor the chart, let's say enter a trade here. 3.0 doesn't require much money. Lots of 3.0 doesn't require much money. Then if I can enter the trade, Then this is my first TP, is almost $100, guys. About $100 first TP. Then the second TP is about 170. Then the third TP is over $359. But no, when I say the market is going to buy, the not say will just keep buying. The only thing is that you have more of green candlesticks, and the market will keep on buying, even if there will be pullbacks, but it will buy, But that will only happen if the market can go above this zone. The market can go above this trend line and do as I have told you. If the market can just go above this trend line, then go above this high, comes back to retest it, that's when it is going to happen. Else, if the market gives us an indication it's going to sell, then we have to sell again from this trend line down. But if it gives us a confirmation, if it breaks above, then continues buying, goes above this line, that is, and comes back here, that's when I personally will enter the trade. After I've seen a confirmation candlestick pattern or a chart pattern on that zone, that's when you can take note of this and monitor the chart and see if it plays out, because these are the very simple things you need to trade. Like I used to tell you, don't need too much information. Just look for a structure and wait for it to give you a go ahead to trade. Just wait for a structure to form and give you a go ahead to trade, and that is how it goes. Right now, as you can see, we couldn't have a structure like yesterday. We saw so many structures even within this 4-hour time frame channel. You saw structures like this one, like this one, like this one here. There was a structure right here. You can see there was a structure right here, and there was another structure. I think I saw another structure somewhere. So I was actually at this particular structure here, this channel, explaining, trying to show you guys a possible setup to make some money that night, before I noticed the network got interrupted. The network, I wasn't happy at all, and you can see the movement. What happened? Our strategy played out. The market did what? The market, after breaking out of this trend line, you see it sold to this point. It sold, and because I usually want to target the market to create a kind of a change of character first with the most recent swing high, lower high, you know and you see what happened. Market came down and retested along this zone, and you see the massive sales to the downside. So it came back and still retested here. See the massive sales to the downside. So if you were able to get this opportunity, you will make some cool cash that last night. You make some cool cash that last night. You know, after the session that didn't go, I had just came and dropped the message on Telegram and decided to turn off my phone. So maybe I would have seen this opportunity to make some cool cash too. So guys, it's not difficult. All you need, just wait for, try to identify this kind of movement in the chart. You want to see higher highs and higher lows. You want to see market forming channels. You want to see market forming wages, like ascending or descending wage. Those are the things you want to see. You want to see the market is giving you those structures on the chart. Try to follow them up. Use a trend line to guide them. Once you guide them with the trend line, like what I'm doing right now, then you wait for a breakout. Market goes above a previous swing high, then comes back, or a lower high, then comes back to retest on a key level. Then that's what you want to see happen. And you can see market broke above this high with a wick. If you put a headline, you see it was with a wick. Then it comes back to this point and this key level, and you see the massive buys to the upside. This little buys, how many green candlesticks? One, two, three, and up to this point, you'll make over $100 if you have a good account size. Over $200 if you have a good account size. So this is how it works. It's very simple. All you need to do is practice. I used to tell you, you cannot know this thing within one day. If you've not liked this video, please just like it now. Let me just remind you, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Trading is not difficult. Like I used to tell you, it's very simple. It's your mindset. It is you that is difficult. You are not simple. If you are simple, then stick to one strategy. Try to apply them. Always wait to see what you are supposed to see. Don't always try to force the market to give you what you want. Wait for the market to give you what you want. For that is patience. So you have to be patient. You have to discipline yourself, that you cannot trade without seeing what you need to see. You cannot trade if the market doesn't give you what it needs to give you. Tell yourself that and try to practice it. It will help you a lot. You've seen a lot of strategies, and yet you are not still profitable. So you need to work on yourself, try to discipline yourself, work on your emotions, work on your urge to make money. Some people come to me on my private messages or send me messages. All of them, what they want to do is to make money. None of them really wants to, only very few really wants to learn, while others are so much interested in making the money without even knowing how to make the money. That's why you keep on losing money. So just learn first, you will make money. This money on trading, the money is always available every day. As far as trading is concerned, the money is always available every day. you know so you don't need to be in a rush. Just learn first. You can declare a week. Tell yourself, this week I am practicing this strategy. It will help you. Just and you stick to it. No distraction. No need to watch any video, any video that will distract you from it. Just keep on watching the same video that you saw the strategy. Keep on watching and rewatching and rewatching and rewatching. You see, it will give you a better chance to succeed in your trading. Just discipline yourself. So these things, I'm always looking for ways to make this trading a very simple stuff for everyone, because when I started trading, the kind of statements and terms I used to hear were somehow scary, but it's something I had passion for. That's why I decided to continue pushing, pushing and pushing till I was able to identify what I can use to make me money. The strategy I'm using today was invented by me. A combination of several things I've learned. It's a combination of several things I have learned. So that is what I want you guys to do. Please just keep practicing, and because I want to be hearing some kind of testimonies, I used your strategy and I made over $100 today, and that to make me happy, you guys. So if you want to enroll in my one-on-one mentorship so I can help you better, guys, click on the link in the description of this video. Go to my Telegram channel. You find my direct contact me there. Then I will assist you. Assist you. Know that it's not free, it's paid training. You have to pay for knowledge. So as you come to meet me, know that you're coming to pay money for knowledge, and I'll impact you with the knowledge. I will do my part, and your part is just to practice what I'm going to show you, and you make money with it, guys. So the one-on-one mentorship is always very interesting, because we're going to schedule times that will favor you, unlike the group mentorship that I have to fix the time for everyone. If we are doing one-on-one mentorship, we negotiate time and we try to do it. You contact me anytime you want, and we will do it, and you enjoy, you make some good money, or you get the right knowledge so that you can start making money on the real, guys. This video is too long. I'm sorry about that, guys. So meanwhile, stay blessed. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you've not done that yet. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and we'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed and peace out.